Yes, so now we're waiting for Shamana ji to join us. How wonderful was this girl? She was so fabulous. Hi, Shamana ji.
Hi. Hi, Manish. Much better. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but it's just that your screen is not. It's
Tera?
yeah, it's Tera.
Matlab, you wanted vertical?
Yes, please.
Yeah, once. Because he is like that and I'm like that. Yeah.
And you're looking so nice.
Thank you. Thank you. You know, I've just finished watching the film with about 20 of my friends and I've come crying away. And mera pura kajal.
But it is, I was just telling Aditi.
For me, the film is such a tribute to Mijwa. तो उसकी जो मैं सड़कें देखती हूँ, उसका हमारा जो है सोइंग एम्ब्रॉयडरी सेंटर जो देख रही हूँ, it is just too overwhelming.
But it is a beautiful film. It's a very touching film, and how it's so amazing for Baba to see potential in her, and you know, like she was just telling us that how Baba called her father and said, I want her to send me a look test. And he saw the look test and she done it so well that he selected her immediately. So it's literally like, it's like a woven dream, right? Because she was dreaming of becoming an actress and she said, "Main bachpan se I wanted to be like Shabana Bua."
But Manish, do you remember that she had come for the Mijwa fashion show?
Yeah,
and at that Mijwa fashion show, you know, when Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma had walked the ramp for the Mijwa fashion show, she had come up on stage and she has, it is my dream to grow up and be an actress. And 2 years later, here she is. And look at what it is opening up for the girls of Mijwa, because suddenly new horizons and new pathways have opened up for
Isn't
them.
it for us also? Because we I mean, thanks to you, Mijwa is dear to me as well. I know this, it's very dear to you and it's now very dear to me as well. And for us to see, because we both are people who are into Mijwa and into movies, and to see both these dreams almost woven together now with Aditi, and more to come, I'm sure. And I was telling her, Kibasab, you finish your 12th and come to Mumbai, you do your college here and start with all your other classes to act.
But Manish, you know, she's like a lotus that you just discovered. And I have to give credit to Baba, because after auditioning so many girls in Mumbai, so many girls, but they were girls who had already done some acting, or they were girls who had done ad films, etc. So there was a lack of rawness. वो जो कहता है ना, उसको मिट्टी की खुशबू चाहिए थी. और इस लड़की ने, she had never faced the camera. Can you imagine the ease with which she presents herself? And you can see that she has a lot of inherent gumption and gut. Because in the shots where she says, अब तो मैं देख लूंगी, या मैं ठेंगा दिखाने के लिए, so you can see this spirit that she embodies. And that to me is very, very important. In a strange kind of way, I feel that discovering Aditi from Mijwa is like India's Got Talent kind of shows, na? Where we discover somebody from the back of beyond and suddenly it opens up a whole world. So that's really exciting.
So encourages so many other actors, actresses all over India who must be living with that dream, but must be so conscious that will we make it? Is there going to be something good for us? So it's such an encouragement. It's a very big, it's going to set a trend. I think that now we're going to see so many more actors, young actors who are going to come. So tell me, when you saw her look test, when Baba must have shown you the look test, what did you think of it?
I was gobsmacked. Because, you know, the first look test was done as a kind of improvisation. और उसकी body language इतनी आसान थी. And I mean, it was on a small phone that her sister had done this audition for her. And the ease with which she was doing, I was absolutely gobsmacked. See, she has a lovely face. She has a very innocent, vulnerable, beautiful face, but also great strength. And she definitely has the rawness of that mitti ki khushbu, which I think in today's world we're seeing so many synthetic ideas of beauty and how everybody is almost looking like a line product. You have a suddenly fresh face coming with it and offering so many rich alternatives. It's very thrilling.
But
Very thrilling.
one thing I admire about you कि आपके अंदर एक जो I was just telling my assistants that also कि एक खासियत है that you are so always open to different kinds of talent and for people of different origin, of different multiple talents, from musician to artist to weavers. And मैं अपने viewers को ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि हम एक साथ मिजवा में थे and Shamana ji said कि ये नो यहाँ बहुत नजदीक मुरादाबाद में I think मुरादाबाद था ना
हाँ.
and वहाँ एक अच्छा weaver है and I have this meeting and I'm finishing that meeting and I'm coming. So but she came much before that she had promised and आपको I remember आप इतने शौक से सब fabric को देख रहे थे कि at one point I thought that you were more interested in the fabric than maybe even I was. So
मगर मनीष जो इंटरेस्टिंग बात है ना, बहुत सारे लोग मुझे ये बोलते हैं कि अब आपका रिश्ता मनीष से 10 साल से है. You people look like you belong to two completely different worlds. How did you get together? For people who don't know how this started, this association with Mijwa started, can you tell me when you first stepped into Mijwa, did you know it's going to become such an integral part of your life?
No, so me who's born and brought up on movies and liked a kind of actors, and the only different from that list was you. I've always loved you as an actor because of your eyes. They're always sparkling. They're sparkling even now. Amazing. And so for the wonderful, all the movies I've seen, and you know that. And so I think that, of course, I got to know you. We worked some things together. And then when Vishwa happened, I didn't think it was going to go that far that it has gone. But of course, from my side also, it was like, I want to do something good. And when you said, why don't you take over Mijwan? I was like, yes, let's take over Mijwan. That time there were only 30, 40 girls, and now we have more than 300 girls working.
400,
so I think
400.
400 is such a long journey. From here to even more, I've really enjoyed that journey with you, and it's been wonderful. It's been wonderful. I only have you to thank for it. It's been really fabulous.
But Manish, I had told myself that this Insta Live cannot be about you praising me and me praising you. It shouldn't be about that. But the thing is that I have to tell you that this association, as unlikely as it seems, has given such rich dividends to both parties. Because of you, these little girls from this anonymity have suddenly been brought on the threshold of the film industry and of the fashion industry. And I remember when they come to the fashion show, then I remember them saying, "Arey, wo sherwani to maine kaadi hai jo Shah Rukh Khan ne pehni hai. Maine usko uski embroidery ki hai." So the kind of confidence that it gives him. And with you, I think you've made an emotional connect with them, because very often what happens is people who are right at the top very rarely have a direct connect with those at the grass roots. That's missing. And I think this is a wonderful thing that has happened. And in today's day and age, Manish, we are all dreaming. We are all looking for something. And for me, Raksam, the film has so many parallels to Aditi's life. Because Aditi had this dream and she was supported by her father, and Mariam has a dream and she is supported by Salim. But for me, the most important thing is, the relationship of Salim is that he wants to be both father and mother to this girl. And in that, in today's day and age, masculine has such a toxicity about it. It's all about power, and it is about yielding power and muscles and strength and shooting and all that. And here, this yin and the yang is perfectly balanced in Salim, because he's both father and mother. And so the question that it begs is, why can't masculinity also be about empathy, about gentleness, about support, without playing it in the face? And if we can have that, then we can give wings to dreams of all these new people who are just waiting to make it big.
No, also I was asking Aditi, Minister, last question यही था कि how close is it to आपकी personal life से? And she said कि personal life में भी मेरे जो father के साथ मेरा relationship है वो ऐसे ही close है जैसे film के अंदर है. and my father and my mother both are very encouraging. So that is such a good thing to hear when you hear that the fathers are now encouraging their daughters to go and live their dreams. And I really think that for Baba, who is been such a great DOP, and he's been such a good cinematographer, and he's fabulous with lighting. I was praising Baba a lot because I worked so much with him in his movies, and to see that potential and get that relationship out in the film, and all the characters don't even look like they're acting. Like when I saw the
Yeah.
film, मुझे नहीं लगा कि ये actors है. Like I didn't even recognize her. I told Aditi कि मैंने आपको भी recognize नहीं किया.
Yeah.
Which that is so real in the film.
No, and for Aditi to have Nasiruddin Shah praising her and Amir Khan praising her and Urmila and Vidya, all of them praising her, Madhuri Dixit. I mean, for her, it's a whole new world that is opening up. But the fact is, it is because she is good, and she has proved that if you dream and you have somebody supporting you, you can realize that dream. अगर आप अपने आप से कहते हैं कि मैं इसको सब कुछ दूंगा, I'll give you an example. I told my father, जब मैंने उनसे कहा था कि अब्बा मैं सचमुच एक्ट्रेस अब बनना चाहती हूँ प्रोफेशनली, तो क्या आप मुझे सपोर्ट करेंगे? तो उन्होंने कहा था मनीष कि बेटे अगर आप मोची बनना चाहें तो भी मैं आपको सपोर्ट करूंगा, बशर्ते आप अपने आप से कहें कि मैं दुनिया की सबसे बेहतरीन मोची बनने की कोशिश करूंगी. So that give me so much support, कि बड़ा और छोटा काम नहीं होता, जिस sincerity से आप करें उससे आपको dividends मिलते हैं. You know that because you're just the most hardworking person that I know in this world. 5 o'clock in the morning, he's ticking away and raring to go and expanding more and more and more and more. So you understand that.
Yeah. Tell me, what is Baba feeling about all the good reviews the film's getting? The film is getting such wonderful reviews. So what is
we have been spending the day crying. Tanvi and I and Meghna have just been crying, and he's gone into a Zen-like situation. He's absorbing it. Abhi khamosh hai. It'll hit him. But I really do think that it sounds really sentimental and corny, but it is as if Kaifi's spirit has invaded this film.
Yeah.
And India's composite culture, which is being celebrated in this film, her pluralism, her biggest strength, that I think invades this film. And that's why it is receiving so much love. And I'm so grateful for it.
It deserves all the love. And Baba, and you always deserve all the love. And it's great for Mijwa. And I hope many, many youngsters are inspired by this. And we see a lot more Aditis in the future. And
thank you.
Well, and I hope to see you soon.
Thank you, Manish. Lots of love. Thank you very much. See you soon.
Yeah.
Bye.
I'm going to... Hi, everyone. So this is going to be a very, very interesting conversation with an actor who I absolutely love, and I'm a big fan of Hindi films, and I absolutely love them, and I've grown up on them. And Shabana ji is one actress who I've always admired. I love her movies. I love the way she performs, and of course we now work so closely with Mijwa. It's been 10 years, and Mijwa started with just 30 girls, and now we have more than 300 girls who work there. And it's always about empowerment. It's always about all of us working together like a big family. And the girl that we are going to speak today about, Aditi, who is from Mijwa, and Mijwa is in Azamgarh, which is in UP. And Mijwa is very, very special to Shabana ji because her father, Kaifi Azmi Saab, a very, very respected poet, comes from Mijwa. He's been just so brilliant with what all he's written, and the songs that he's written have been great. And Shabana ji is hugely connected to Mijwa, and that's where Aditi as well comes from. So we're going to change the thing and start with Aditi. And I'm just waiting for Aditi to send me a request. Is this the one? So So yeah, so it's Me Raksam is a film that Baba Azmi has directed. Baba Azmi has been a great cinematographer, great director of photography for so many of the super hit films, including Mr. India, Ruki Rani Churoka Raja, and so many of the movies. I remember when I came to movies, I met him because he used to work a lot with Inder Kumar, and a lot of wonderful films have been done by him. And he always had a very interesting take, even in costumes. And he's a master of lighting. And so when he decided to direct a film, and I think it was so fantastic for him to see potential. And oh, I press this. Yeah, Abhidi, she's here. And so when he decided to make a film, he met Aditi in Mijwan, and he knew her, and that's how he is. Here it is. Here she is. Hi,
हेलो हाउ
कैसी
आर
हो
यू
आप? I'm
मैं
good.
ठीक
How are
हूँ
you? Are you studying? Exams चल रहे हैं कुछ ऐसे?
सॉरी
Are you studying right now? आपके exams है कुछ चल रहे हैं कि you are on a holiday break time?
या ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रहे हैं और ऐसे
और मैंने एक क्लिप अगर आपने मेरे Instagram पे देखा, when you came for the Mijwan show, जहाँ शाहरुख खान
या
and Adi and Anushka Sharma were there, उस वक्त आपने ये कहा था कि I want to be an actor like Shabana Bua. So ये जो ड्रीम है एक्ट्रेस का, from when have you had this dream?
सॉरी
Can you hear? सुनाई दे रहा है?
या
बेटर ना? So tell me, ये जो ड्रीम था एक्ट्रेस बनने का, ये कब से है?
मैं बचपन से मैं शबाना बुआ को यहाँ देखते आई हूँ तो शबाना बुआ मतलब लोगों के लिए इतना कुछ करती है और वो इतनी बेहतरीन एक्टर है तो मैं उनसे बहुत इंस्पायर होती हूँ तो मुझे उनके जैसा एक दिन एक्टर बनना है तो मैं छोटी थी तो भी मुझे एक्टिंग का बहुत शौक था मुझे डांस का भी बहुत शौक था तो मैं कुछ भी फंक्शन होता था मैं ज़रूर पार्टिसिपेट करती थी उसमें तो मुझे ऐसा अंदर से था कि मुझे एक दिन एक्ट्रेस बनना है और फिर मैं आपके फैशन शो में आई मुंबई उसके बाद मेरा कॉन्फिडेंट और बढ़ गया कि मैं बनूंगी
मगर जब आप फैशन शो में आपने बात की तो वो भी बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली बात की। मुझे अभी भी याद है कि मैंने शबाना जी को नेक्स्ट डे पूछा था कि कितनी अच्छी और कितनी कॉन्फिडेंटली आपने, शाहरुख खान थे और अनुष्का शर्मा थी और हम लोग सब थे, एंड यू स्पोक सो वेल। सो जब
थैंक
बाबा जी ने ये वही के ये रोल, तो वर यू वेरी हैप्पी कि आपको लगा कि ये मेरा एक ड्रीम पूरा होने वाला है? वर यू श्योर अबाउट इट कि आपको ये थोड़ा डर था कि लुक टेस्ट कैसे होगा और मैं कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं?
या शूटिंग देखिए मैंने कभी शूटिंग के बारे में सुना नहीं था मैंने मतलब सुना था मैंने शूटिंग के लिए बट मैंने कभी देखा नहीं था कि शूटिंग किस तरह होती है तो कैमरा मेरे लिए फर्स्ट टाइम मतलब फेस कर रही थी मैं उसके बाद लाइट्स वगैरह सब कुछ मेरे लिए सेट सब कुछ मेरे लिए नया था मैं एक्साइटेड तो बहुत थी जब मैंने सुना ये कि मैं एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ बाबा अंकल की फिल्म में तो मैं एक्साइटेड तो मैं बहुत थी मैं नर्वस भी होती थी क्योंकि सब कुछ मेरे लिए बहुत नया था और बहुत डिफरेंट था तो लेकिन बाबा अंकल ने मुझे कभी भी नर्वस नहीं होने दिया हमेशा मुझे इनकरेज किया और जब भी मैं नर्वस होती थी हमेशा मुझे सपोर्ट किया हमेशा बोलते थे करो हो जाएगा आपसे हमेशा इनकरेज करते थे मुझे
अच्छा, यू नो ना कि आप बिल्कुल नर्वस नहीं लग रहे थे। यू आर सो फैबुलस इन द फिल्म। जब मैंने फिल्म देखी बिफोर,
सॉरी
how good is this girl? So Shabana ji said, don't you know she was with us? She was in Vishwan. Then I met you that time, and I was you were very very confident, very good in the film. And so are you? आपको और फिल्में करनी है? You want to come to Bombay and और बहुत सी फिल्में करनी है? I think it's frozen. Yeah, it's frozen, I think.
$100 we can see you. $100 we see you.
That's a from your phone. we're trying to connect. We're trying to connect. I think it's the. Is it a bad connection? I think. Right? Mm-hmm. So Aditya, आप मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है आपको? I can't see the screen. Yeah. So guys, I apologize for the network, and Aditi, we are trying to get back with her. And Shabana ji, actually, we are all in absolutely 3 different places. Shabana ji is in Khandala, I'm in Mumbai, and Aditi is in Mizram. And how wonderful is she? Isn't it amazing that she always saw a dream of becoming an actor, and she's very fond of music and dance. And Baba Azmi saw the potential in her, offered her the role. She did this role with such brilliance. You must catch up with the film. It's on Z and Z Premium, and you'll see how wonderful she is. Oh yeah, I'm trying to get yeah. Yeah, I can see Aditi here. Yeah, I think she's connecting, Aditi. हाँ Aditi, sorry, connection बोल.
सॉरी.
नहीं.
हाँ.
तो मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि are you excited इसके बाद कि आप अपनी स्टडीज खत्म करके मुंबई आएंगी और फिल्में करेंगी? Because you should. आप बहुत talented हैं.
थैंक यू सो मच.
But are you excited? आप क्या करना चाहेंगी? बॉम्बे आना
सॉरी.
और will you want to come to Bombay और काम करना चाहेंगी?
हाँ, मैं आना चाहती हूँ और मैं बहुत सारी फिल्मों में काम करना चाहती हूँ. अपने पेरेंट्स का, शबाना बुआ का, अपने गांव का, सबका नाम रोशन करना चाहती हूँ.
That's wonderful, absolutely wonderful. So let's tell our viewers कि आप अभी पढ़ रही हैं और आप कौन सी क्लास के अंदर हैं, and how long is it for you to finish your education?
अभी मैं 12th स्टैंडर्ड में हूँ.
Well,
हाँ, तो ये लास्ट ईयर है मेरा. उसके बाद फिनिश हो जाएगा. उसके बाद ग्रेजुएशन के लिए.
तो ग्रेजुएशन के लिए मुंबई?
हाँ, हो सकता है.
I'll tell Shabana ji कि ये ऐसा करना ही है कि graduation must be from Mumbai, ताकि in your spare time you can work a lot more on workshops and your dance class and acting class. Because मैं audience को यही कह रहा था when we lost the connection कि उन सबको फिल्म देखनी चाहिए, सबको ये देखना चाहिए कि आपने इतना अच्छा काम किया है. अच्छा, मुझे बाबा जी ने आपको फोन किया इस रोल के लिए, तो एक रिएक्शन क्या था आपका? पहला एक थॉट क्या था आपका?
मेरा रिएक्शन, हाँ, तो मतलब मुझे ऐसा सडनली फ़ोन आया. मैं स्कूल जा रही थी तो मेरे पापा को फ़ोन आया पहले कि मतलब मैंने आपके शो में जो मैंने बोला था, स्पीच मैंने जो दी थी, तो बाबा अंकल ने पापा को बोला कि अदिति को बोलो वो मुझे वीडियो शूट करके भेजे. तो मैंने वो शूट करके भेजा. फिर बाबा अंकल मुझे सीन कुछ मतलब भेजे, तो मुझे उसके बारे में बताया कि इसका वो क्या सिचुएशन ऐसा है. उसके बारे में मुझे सारी मतलब इन्फॉर्मेशन दी कि कैसे करना है, क्या इमोशन है, सब कुछ मुझे बताया. उसके बाद मैंने अपने सिस्टर के हेल्प से उसको रिकॉर्ड करके भेजा बाबा अंकल को. उसके बाद उन्होंने देखा, फिर मुझे फ़ोन किया शबाना बुआ बाबा अंकल ने. उसके बाद मुझे बोला कि आप सेलेक्ट हो गए हो. तो मतलब अंदर से मुझे बहुत बहुत खुशी हो रही थी और मैं बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ कि मुझे बाबा अंकल ने, शबाना बुआ, जावेद अंकल, नम्रता दीदी, सब ने मुझे इतना भरोसा किया, मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दी और मैं उनका भरोसा कभी नहीं तोड़ूंगी, हमेशा कायम रखूंगी.
पर ये बहुत दिस इज सो फैंटास्टिक राइट कि ये ऐसी स्टोरियां जो होती हैं वो जो एक कहानी जैसी, दिस इज अ रियलिटी. एंड ये हम लोग ज्यादा करके देखते हैं, फिल्म में देखते हैं. दिस इज जो आपने किया है कितना रेयर है और इतना फैंटास्टिक है कि अपने खुद का एक लुक टेस्ट बनाया, खुद उसको इतनी सिंसियरली किया और उसे भेजा, एंड बाबा लाइक द टेस्ट एंड हियर यू वर. तो इजंट दैट लवली? कैसा लग रहा है कि फिल्म अभी स्ट्रीम हो रही है एंड लोग आपको फोन करेंगे, उन्हें फिल्म देख रहे हैं हर जगह, तो कैसे लग रहा है? इज दैट, कैसे लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। आज हमारी फिल्म रिलीज हुई है और उसकी रिव्यूज भी बहुत अच्छे आए हैं। अभी हमारी शबाना बुआ पापा अंकल से बात हुई,
हाँ,
उन्होंने बताया कि बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज आ रहे हैं और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। मैं सोचती हूँ कि अगर ये अच्छा हो गया तो मैं और भी मेहनत से काम करूँगी। मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि आज हमारी फिल्म रिलीज हो गई और फाइनली लोग देखेंगे आज।
that is just fantastic and many many congratulations. जब आप मुंबई आएंगे we will all celebrate and
या
बहुत मुबारक. प्लीज विश योर, टेल योर फैमिली एज वेल. एंड एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन जो मुझे पूछना था वो ये था कि ये जो स्टोरी है फिल्म की, और ये आपके से एक रखती है, आपको लगता है कि जो फिल्म की स्टोरी है ये आपकी जिंदगी से भी एक कनेक्शन रखती है, अपनी पर्सनल जिंदगी से?
मेरे पर्सनल ज़िंदगी से मुझे मेरे अब्बू और मतलब फ़िल्म में जो मेरे अब्बू और मतलब मरियम का रिश्ता है, वैसा मेरे पापा के साथ मेरा रियल लाइफ में भी है। और मतलब मेरे पापा मम्मी मुझे हमेशा सपोर्ट करते हैं, मतलब एक्टिंग के लिए जैसा हुआ कि जैसे वो भरतनाट्यम के लिए उसके फैमिली मतलब पेरेंट्स उसके पापा मम्मी सपोर्ट करते हैं, उस तरह से मुझे भी हमेशा सपोर्ट मिला मिला है। और फैमिली के लोग बोलते हैं, फैमिली के लोग कुछ है जो बोलते हैं कि नहीं एक्टिंग में नहीं जाना है, ऐसा वगैरह बोलते हैं। लेकिन मेरे मम्मी पापा कहते हैं कोई भी काम करो आप पूरी ईमानदारी से करो और बहुत मेहनत से करो,
दैट्स
हमेशा जैसे मतलब हाँ पूरा करने मतलब ऐसा ही है, एकदम सेम है कि मतलब मेरी लाइफ में भी ऐसा ही है जैसा मरियम का है। तो हाँ तो मेरा ही
इसलिए नेचुरल, सब कुछ नेचुरल आया है. तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. एंड व्हेन यू कम टू बॉम्बे हम सब सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. एंड everybody who's watching this chat, please watch Me Raksam and see how wonderful Aditi is. She's been just simply fabulous. And many congratulations and thank you so much. बैठे,
सॉरी सर।
यहाँ कुर्सी पे बैठे बैठे अब आई स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू शबाना जी, और हम दोनों आपकी तारीफ करेंगे. अब
ओके आई वॉच।
so now over to Shabana ji. Trying to connect.